una sa lahat dyan, yung sa side ng Armed Forces of the Philippines, we have to leave that to proper legal forums. No? Itong mga ganitong usapin, sinusuportahan naman po ng AFP yung paglabas ng katotohanan. So in the side of the part of the Armed Forces of the Philippines, kung ano po yung pwede po namin mai-contribute through proper legal channels and legal forums, we will coordinate and makikipagtulungan tayo accordingly.
Ma'am, na-check na natin kung yung identity ng 18 na yun ay members talaga ng AFP during the time na sila ay security detail din ni former Congressman Saldi.
Well, foremost, no, we do not discuss sa Armed Forces of the Philippines yung individual personal records in public forums. Ito namang pinakitang dokumento dito, hindi pa siya signed, hindi pa siya notarized, but there was already, of course, since meron tayong nakitang dokumento, we have conducted due diligence, no, in checking dito sa mga names na ito, and naglabas na nga ng statement yung ating Philippine Navy spokesperson regarding dito sa alleged na Marines under them. So ang nabanggit dito, there were 4 that were never members of the Philippine Navy or the Philippine Marine Corps. Majority of the individuals that were there in the names were discharged dishonorably from the service, while others were also retired in good standing. So ito yung nakita natin dito.
Para dun ma'am sa mga discharged dishonorably and retired in good standing, confirmed ma'am na they were previously assigned to former Representative Zaldico as security?
Pag ganyan kasing retired sila, no, they're already acting on their personal capacity. So what is clear is that individuals that has already retired from the service, separated na sila from the service, and they're already acting on their private capacity. So yung statements man nila or yung actions nila, no, does not represent the Armed Forces of the Philippines.
So ma'am, there is no instance ever sa operation ng AFP na Marines or any member of the armed forces na branch would be assigned to a security detail for a congressman or any na politiko. At part, of course, sa PSG.
Well, in the past, no, may mga ganitong instances tayo. By law, meron kasing certain personalities that are entitled to security detail. Kasi ito nga Presidential Security Command natin, AFP talaga ito, no? So kung ano man ang what is deemed necessary for us to perform detail to certain personalities, that would be depending on kung ano yung kung ano yung entitlements ng individuals.
Pero yung mga Zaldico, let's say he's a member of Congress, is there any instance na would justify na ang armed forces ang magpapadala ng detail para sa kanya?
Hindi, no, sa mga Congress, hindi. Sa ngayon, ang Presidential Security Command natin, we perform security detail to the President, to the Vice President, and to the First Family.
O, yung mga congressman walang gano'n.
Hindi.
So ma'am, going back to the 18, yung time na siguro, totoo mang naging security detail sila ni Congressman Saldico, retired na sila no?
Yes, ang mga retired nga, as I said, they act on their personal capacity. So they are no longer under the purview of the Armed Forces of the Philippines.
Pero ma'am, meron ba tayong nagiging in some ways check sa mga retired members natin? Although they're acting on their personal capacity, but from time to time, meron ba tayong checks on them kung ano yung nagiging whereabouts nila after they leave the service?
No, they leave the service, so they are already acting on their private capacity.
Ma'am, after this incident, meron pa ba tayo minumonitor na itong mga tauhan natin na possible na may mga ganito rin galaw?
For us naman, no, we continuously reiterate this na buo ang inyong sandatahang lakas ng Pilipinas. We remain professional, we are united, and ang focus natin ngayon talaga is the mandate that we have. Ang pinakamalaking usapin ngayon, no, itong West Philippine Sea issue. So ang focus ng Sandatahang Lakas ng Pilipinas as we transition from internal security operations to territorial defense. So nandiyan yan, pati yung pagpalit natin ng organization natin to address